Well, I thought solitude, just the alone time and just reconnecting with myself. But I was really surprised because I enjoyed being with the group so much. Connecting with these great people is something I really loved. It was really surprised me.
We made it.
Yeah, it's been a wonderful experience. I just feel like at peace with myself now, and I've sort of been working towards that. But this whole immersive experience was just wonderful.
I think I wanted to work on mindfulness. I wanted to come and be present in a beautiful place and just be part of nature and just work on that. Being able to be present is something I think is really important.
Community of us all working together and being together for a while. Even just 3 days, I think I've really enjoyed all these people. I think they're all amazing people, and I'm glad we were able to do this with them.
The sessions with Amber are so rejuvenating and energizing. I'm amped for 3 hours afterwards and feel like superhuman. There's this precision focus. It's wonderful. But everything has just been so wonderful.
I feel so much more energized, and it's like just a peaceful energy too. So I feel like that, and I feel like I'm definitely, even though we've done so much, it just feels like I have all this bursting energy.
Hello, so good to see you. So good to see everybody. Yes, thank you, sir.
it's exceeded my expectations. I mean, Amber and Lance, you guys have been incredible.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's magical. It is like being in a protective bubble. It's so nice.
Hey, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Yay, good morning. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Laying on the red rock under the sun after a really nice hike, the views, smelling the clean air, looking at the blue sky. I mean, I was very present and it was a very good feeling.
One thing is just learning people's names, learning people's stories, and I hope that that a seed is planted and that connections from this retreat with people grow into sort of more of that tree of connections and limbs of relationships.
We got drunk and had fun. I'm just kidding.
I could say Jason and I have a love-hate relationship. I love him, he hates me.
Oh, this is epic, man.
You know that sulfur smell? That, like, I mean, it's a biblical smell, right? I smelled that before I even saw Dave. That sulfur smell emanates like rotten egg from hell. He's sharing a bag of chips with somebody, and Dave. Dave, a rhinoceros. Dave the rhinoceros just almost ran me over.
Hi, Panda. Cutie.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
So wonderful having you here.
Thank you, Lance.
Thank you so much.
It's been amazing.
Thank you.
Seriously, it's great energy.
Yeah, we're wanting to bring our husbands next.
Thank you. Thank you.
You guys are
Steal that back so we don't continue to record you. We'll have legal issues later. I have to call this guy.